Hello everyone. How are you today? I'm sorry my camera is not is malfunctioning, so you're not going to be able to see me. But it's okay. You just listen to what I'm going to tell you. So without wasting any more ado, we'll be studying with your workbook today and your student book. So I'll be taking you over to that section where we'll listen to the CD. We're going to listen to CD 1, 11 to 21. And by the time we're done, then we're going to take it over to our workbook section where we'll have to look at a couple of things, follow-up questions for the CD. Okay? Okay, let's go take a lesson.
Track 11, C. Track 11, C. Practice the questions and answers.
What's this?
It's a workbook.
What's that?
It's a calendar.
What is? What's? It is. It's.
What's this?
It's a workbook.
What's that?
It's a calendar.
Track 12, C. Practice the questions and answers. Number 1.
What's this? It's a paper clip.
Number 2.
What's that? It's a door.
Number 3.
What's that? It's a calendar.
Number 4.
What's this? It's a workbook.
Number 5.
What's that? It's a picture.
Number 6.
What's this? It's a clock.
Number 7.
What's this? It's a pencil sharpener.
Number 8.
What's that? It's a window.
Track 13, D. Ask and answer.
Is this a calendar?
Yes, it is.
Is that a calendar?
No, it isn't.
Is not. Isn't.
Is this a calendar? Yes, it is. Is that a calendar? No, it isn't.
Track 14, D. Ask and answer. Number 1.
Is this a ruler? Yes, it is.
Number 2.
Is that a poster?
No, it isn't.
Number 3.
Is that a poster? Yes, it is.
Number 4.
Is this an eraser?
Yes, it is.
Number 5.
Is that a book?
No, it isn't.
Number 6.
Is that a picture?
Yes, it is.
Track 15. Let's learn more. A. Practice the words. Number 1.
Pencil sharpeners.
Number 2.
Paper clips.
Number 3.
Clocks.
Number 4.
Workbooks.
Number 5.
Calendars.
Number 6.
Pictures.
Number 7.
Windows.
Number 8.
Doors.
Track 16. B. Practice the sentences.
These are pencil sharpeners. Those are pictures.
These are pencil sharpeners.
Those are pictures.
Track 17. B. Practice the sentences.
These are pencil sharpeners. Those are pencil sharpeners.
These are paper clips. Those are paper clips.
These are clocks. Those are clocks. These are workbooks. Those are workbooks. These are calendars. Those are calendars.
These are pictures. Those are pictures.
These are windows. Those are windows. These are doors. Those are doors.
Track 18. C. Practice the questions and answers.
What are these?
They're clocks.
What are those?
They're pictures. What are these? They're clocks. What are those? They're pictures.
Track 19. C. Practice the questions and answers. Number 1.
What are these?
They're crayons.
Number 2.
What are these? They're pencils.
Number 3.
What are these?
They're pencil sharpeners.
Number 4.
What are these? They're erasers.
Number 5.
What are those?
They're pictures.
Number 6.
What are those? They're kites.
Number 7.
What are those?
They're bicycles.
Number 8.
What are those? They're balls.
Track 20. D. Ask and answer.
Are these doors?
Yes, they are.
Are those doors?
No, they aren't.
Are not. Aren't.
Are these doors?
Yes, they are.
Are those doors?
No, they aren't.
Track 21. D. Ask and answer. Number 1.
Are those doors? Yes, they are.
Number 2.
Are these clocks?
No, they aren't.
Number 3.
Are those tables? Yes, they are.
Number 4.
Are these pictures?
No, they aren't.
Yes, we've listened one more time to the CD. Like I told you, I have to be real quick with your books, okay? But here, look at the message or what they want us to know. Here they're using are and they're using these and those for question. When we start our question, we use are or is or am. Am I a teacher? Is he my student? Are there my students? So are these doors, you see, these are for things that are more than one. and those but are near to us, and those are things that are more than one and are far away from us. That is the lesson. And see, we're using are because there are many doors. If it is only one door, we use is. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. And also they talked about the contraction form here. They are pictures. They are, you are, we are, I am, he is, she is. That is the subject. That is the thing that you're supposed to learn here. Here we've got calendars with S, pictures with S, that means many. These are what we call plural. Windows, these are nouns. Nouns are names of things, animals, or places. As you can see, these are names of items, like your door, like your pencil, like your paper clip, clock, workbook, pencils. All these are name of things. They are different from our verbs. Our verbs are the things that we do, like to go, to play, to sing, to dance, to jump. So our nouns, they have the singular and plural. Singular means when it is one. That's why here they are using a calendar. Is this a calendar? And this is for one thing that is near to us. That's why we're using a calendar. Is that a calendar? When it is far away from us, we use that. Okay? So is for singular. So that reminds me, the note I asked you to copy is about our article. This a notebook, a calendar. We call it article. We also use this for when a noun or a word is started with a consonant. I told you about the 26 alphabet. 5 of them are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the rest are called consonants. Those that start with consonant, we use A for them, like W is a consonant, a workbook. Then I is a vowel. If I want to say insect, I will say an insect. E is a vowel. If I want to say elephant, one elephant, I will use an elephant. Okay? So I think that is going to be all about it for this one, but not without taking you over to your workbook section where you have to match. Let's learn a workbook. You are using A because it is only one. See? A paper clip, a calendar, a clock, a pencil sharpener, a window, a picture, a door. All these are singular. Okay? So read and circle that we've got this is a door. We are using is with a singular verb because we have a door which is one door. This is a workbook. We're also using is, a singular verb, for a workbook which is what? Only one. So here, what is this? What is that? You see, when it is far away, we use that, and we use this when it is near. It is a paper clip. So you take care of all these ones, okay? Like I told you, we'll be real quick. And here we've got the plural. That's why we're using those are. Are is the plural verb. That's why we've got clocks with S. These are paper clips. You must make sure you pronounce the S. Those are windows. These are sharpeners. Okay, I will expect you to take care of these ones up to page 7. Okay, you do up to page 7 in your workbook, and we're going to stop it here for today. One more thing, I gave you this note to copy. So where you use a and an, when you don't specifically know something or something is not mentioned before. Okay, you say a man crashed into a tree. An elephant can make a loud noise. You see, we use a before a noun that starts with a consonant. Look at all the consonants here. So there are 25 of them, and we have only 5 which are our vowels. See, A, E, I, O, U. So anyone that starts with any of these, then we use an umbrella, an idea, an apple. But these ones I will try to explain later when you join me at the Zoom meeting. I don't want this video to be too long. I have to find time to explain, in more details about when we use the, when we have already talked about something or someone before, we can use the. So we call the A and N, we call them articles, okay? So when we do more exercise about these articles, they're going to become more clearer to you. I think we have to leave it here for today, and I will also be sending you your homework, which you are supposed to do by the time you finish with the exercise in your workbook, okay? So we're going to do some error correcting errors in sentences. You look at the sentence, then you look at the mistake in the sentence and be able to correct them. So I'll be talking to you as soon as on the other side of the hour. So, but for now, I think this is going to be all about it for today. See you guys when you see me, and bye for now.